Tanil,
Yes, chef.
you had a bad service. Tanil! I look at that and it breaks my heart. Tanil! They're not even seared properly! And I'm going to be really honest now. I don't want any nominations. I don't want to prolong your agony. Come here, madam. Take off your jacket and leave Hell's Kitchen.
Yes, chef.
Listen to me. I am so proud of you. You fought back like I've never ever seen anybody in Hell's Kitchen fight back. And you are an amazing competitor. And you have got a massive heart. You're young. Now use that experience and do some good with it.
Thank you. You guys are awesome. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much.
Take care, Tanil.
Thank you. Thank you.
The greatest comeback. You never forget that.
No way.
Head up high.
Always, chef. When I first came to Hell's Kitchen, I knew absolutely nothing about fine dining.
That's deep fat frying a scallop.
It's hard not to let your nerves get to you.
Can you do it or shall I do it?
When I got into it with Chef Ramsay,
Get the fuck out of here.
fuck you!
Because you're crap.
You don't know shit! But I fought back.
Get back in there.
Get off my station, please! When somebody kicks you, stomps you, throws you down and says you're not good enough, I'm not the fucking weakest person on this team.
Interesting.
Never give up. Never give up.
Still kicking.
Still here.
Tanil, that's the best I've ever seen anybody cook meat. Well done.
Chef Ramsay comes across people left and right. For him to take the time to say, hey, you're a great chef, keep going, that's all he needed to say.